our bakery dry display case. First off, the overall dimensions from left to right. We have at least 46 inches. And the length for the bottom cover, left to right, we have at least 47¼ inches. Depth from left to right is 28¾ inches. That's the measurement for the top of the glass. And the depth for the bottom cover, we have at least 29½ inches. Height with wheels will include 54 inches tall. And measurement with the wheels to the top of the bottom cover will be 19¾ inches. Coming to the back will be dual slide doors and 3 shelves. Please note that each of the 3 shelves are fixed in position and cannot be adjusted. And the measurements for each of the shelves will include 20 inches in depth by 44½ inches in length. Measurements include for the first, second, and third shelf. LED strips will be included for each of the shelves located on the very bottom. So an LED strip on the first shelf on the bottom, bottom of the second shelf, and bottom of the third shelf. Coming to the back will be your 110/120 voltage connection along with the power switch. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.